They said my Lamborghini Revuelto would never start again. Cool, that makes two of us, me and my bank account. You ever look at your finances and think, damn, this thing's totaled? Like, why does my savings account have the energy of a luxury car in a coma? It exists, technically, but it ain't going nowhere. I called the bank for help. They said, just stop spending. Oh wow, thanks. That's like Lamborghini telling me, have you tried turning the key harder? I'm out here trying to jumpstart my financial life with £3.57 and a motivational quote from Instagram. At this point, I don't need a budget. I need an exorcism. Because clearly, something possessed me every time I hit buy now on something I can't afford. They said the car wouldn't start. They were right. Neither did my financial education. But hey, at least one of us still looks expensive.